Hey, y'all are at Kidwell Hatchery. I'm going to take them out and shut the door for a little bit. They'll eat while they're out. They'll drink while they're out. And I'll make sure that the nesting box, that it's opened again before it gets dark. But as it gets closer to winter, I am worried about them losing all this body mass consistently. They've been broody for quite some time. Alright, thank y'all for suffering with me through that. But I just now decided that that was going to be my new course of action every day. To comment, like, and subscribe, y'all.